smells good.
Emmett, who's home?
How's everything been? It's good. Yeah.
Can you sing him a song?
I know, I got up like at 2. I'm like, this is ridiculous. I'm on the couch. Back in the bed. Because I woke up. I was like, where were you sleeping? Here. I just thought I'd worry if I couldn't hear him. Yeah. I took off my
Are you rocking him?
Let's not rock him in this. We go from the back. Should we get him out? Yeah. You do very soft and careful. Let's go sit in our chair. You want to sit on the couch with me? How's that? Okay. Okay, ready to go sit on the couch. We're going to go sit on the couch. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, mommy's going to carry him. Oh dear.
Go wash your hands, Park.
Wash hands. Did you wash them?
Oh yeah, I did.
There's hand sanitizer on the counter. Oh, you did dry them off too. Those are really cold, Park, for Ben, so go dry them off so they're not so chilly. So, Emmett, we give kisses on the head, up on his hair.
Kiss up here. Up here.
That's where the doctor said to kiss him.
Yeah, kiss on his head. Always on his head. Okay? Good job.
Can you sing him the Tomorrow song, Emmett?
I put full soap and hand sanitizer.
Wow, you have the cleanest hands ever.
I know, we'll give you a turn. We'll give you a turn. Wow, lots of turns. What is it, Gina?